Hi everyone, I hope each one of you are doing fine and staying safe. Welcome to TGIF at Microsoft Technology Center Bangalore. We call it Tech Gyan in 5. Another guest this morning, Shika Agarwal, who is a practicing data scientist and a senior technical architect at MTC. Shika, welcome to TGIF.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thanks for having me here.
Shika, first question. You work with a lot of customers, data scientists specifically, and you're a practicing data scientist yourself. Um, According to you, what are some of the challenges that you've heard from data scientists in their work stream?
It is great, Sandeep, that you asked me this question because while organizations look forward to data scientists to help them embark on their journey to build AI powered innovative solutions, I do envisage a couple challenges. For any AI solution to be able to augment human capability, it is imperative to have a data platform that facilitates seamless, reliable access to consistent data, cutting across silos to all key decision makers, while at the same time ensuring security and compliance requirements. There's really no shortcut to modernizing your data estate, and organizations must invest in the right tech platform and build a data driven culture. Secondly, data science projects are iterative in nature. Several hypotheses have to be validated, and each experiment may consume massive compute power. And so, in order to derive ROI, it's important to adopt cloud infrastructure and automate most processes. It is only then that we can build an environment that fosters innovation and achieve business objective at an increasing velocity.
Shika, you mentioned automation, you mentioned MLOps. According to you, from a toolset standpoint, how mature are the tools right now to actually make MLOps a reality?
It is truly remarkable that Azure and GitHub have come together and created a compelling MLOps solutions. With Git Actions, data scientists can execute and track their experiments automatically. They can effectively collaborate with the rest of the teams via shared model registry, model packaging, and its deployment into highly scalable Kubernetes environment can all be achieved with minimal effort. Not only this, data scientists get a full ecosystem that facilitates governance and monitoring of each and every step in the life cycle of a data science project.
All right. Thanks so much, Shika. That was insightful. And for folks who are listening us today and watching us today, thank you so much for joining. Happy learning and have a wonderful weekend.